Hello folks, we are back with this week's top 5s and today we are listing down the top 5 websites where you can find some amazing fonts. First up is Google Fonts. Some of you must be aware of Google's open source font library, Google Fonts. They come with around 1,000 fonts in more than 135 different languages with the newest of designs. They have a very clean and easy to use interface and an option to preview the different weights and sizes of the font. You get various font properties to filter from, so you're likely to find the font that you're looking for. For all the nerds out there, Google Fonts have come up with analytics recently where you can view the most used fonts for the past year. Next up is Fontsquirrel. They have a huge collection of high-quality, exceptional fonts which also include the new type trends. Go nuts on Fontsquirrel. Pun intended. They have also done all the brain-wrecking heavy researching of the licenses for you and handpicked every font displayed on their site that is free to download and are commercially licensed. You can download it and use it without any payment. They have made it that simple. An added feature to this is the font identifier, where you can identify any font by uploading an image of it, and they'll show you every font that matches it. Somewhat like a Shazam for fonts. Open Foundry. Now for something interesting. Open Foundry welcomes you with a very cool interface that makes you take a step back, not because you're blown away by the website, but by the huge sections and fonts. Along with the rich collection of open source fonts, they also have a really fun and explorative approach with toggles to play with the different display options for backgrounds and colors. You can also experiment with the kerning and sizing of the fonts according to your needs, which makes it way easier to find the exact fonts that will work for you. Up next, we have the League of MovableType, whose manifesto is all about raising the design standards of the web, making high-quality typography accessible to all. They are a free and open-source library with 17 very high-quality fonts. All of them are from a selected group of typographers and they are for everyone to download and use any way they like. One of the famous fonts from their library is Gothic, which is used on a lot of websites nowadays. They have a limited amount of fonts, but you know how the saying goes, quality over quantity. Lastly, we have ToughFont. They have a very versatile and quirky library focused more on brush styles and novelty-themed fonts. Most of their fonts are quirky and almost all of them are commercially licensed. Apart from your basic styles, they also offer you a huge variety of themes and moods like cartoon, comic, groovy, old school, and curly. So start exploring and find your favorite. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something new today. Like, share and subscribe to our channel, and to become an undisputed pro in the design game, make sure you download the ProApp.